welcome to the show. Today in the show we're going to be going for some flathead catfish. Why don't you join us? Holy cow, that's a nice one, Lucas. It's a beauty. Okay, I got it. You ready? This was a nice one, Lucas. Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
We're gonna let him so you guys can catch him too.
We're gonna let beautiful catch him. Here we go. Okay, get him in close. Nice job. Another nice fish Lucas caught. So let him go. Okay. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. We had a great time doing some catfishing. And take a look at the monster that we got here. Holy cow. We sure had a lot of fun. Hey, thanks for watching the show today. Sure appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye.